Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back with another video. Yes, sir, today. We talking about this upcoming release, talking about these Winterized 14s, man. They nice, super dope, you know what I'm saying? They come out this Saturday on October 16th. We're gonna talk about how to cop, first impression, all that good stuff, man. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate the new subscribers, you know what I'm saying? Showing love and support as always. Hey, if you're new to the channel, man, go ahead and hit that thumbs up to this video. Also, subscribe to the channel, man. I'm trying to get to that 2K by the end of this year, maybe by the end of this month. You never know how fast videos you'll blow up, so you never know. Like I said, the ultimate goal for real for by the end of this year, reach that 5K, but don't happen. That's reach that 2K, 3. You know what I'm saying? That's cheap for to be great, of course. So man, let's hear from all of y'all. Not further, let's go in the video. So in case y'all don't know what these Winterized 14 look like, Rise 14. Here go a couple pictures of the shoe. In my personal opinion, the shoe, like I said, 10 out of 10. I seen on feet video of the shoe, super fire. This shoe reminds me of the Rookie of the Year joints, because I got the Rookie of the Year, the ones with the red laces. Pretty sure y'all know the Rookie of the Years is. I ain't gonna lie, them a sleeper retro one. A lot of people don't even wear now or don't really know about at all, but that shoe was fire, super heat. So, and it's kind of hard to find right now, in case you're trying to look for the Rookie of the Year Jordan ones. Super hard to find, but in my opinion, it's a good comparison, because like I said, the colorway is similar. The red laces, got the black laces. I won't do no white laces in the 14s. I would definitely stick to the red laces. Like I said, they come out October 16th. Retail for $210. $210. Hope they got some good swag, good leather quality on them joints, man. So you know your boy gonna get them, of course. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have our own feet. Hopefully I'm gonna have our own feet. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be all good. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully I get the shoe that y'all can see the shoe and I can see the shoe as well too. So like I said, I like this shoe a lot. Like I said, 10 out of 10, my personal opinion. Comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all like this shoe. You're gonna pass on it. Be like, I'm cool. You know, sound like good stuff. But we're gonna talk about raffles. So I'm waiting on Finish Line, because Finish Line love doing it last minute raffles. So I'm just checking on there. Also, sometimes JD Sports be having like the little raffles in stores. So I'm gonna call them today, but like I doing a raffle in store. If they are, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot over there. And hopefully they have them. Cause I actually, like I said, I like this shoe. I don't even have a pair of 14s in my collection, but like I said, certain shoes, I'm like, okay, I like that. And that colorway super dope. I like brown and red go. So right concept go together, of course, man. So you got JD, Finish Line. Like I said, you gotta watch them too. They know that it's the same company, you know what I'm saying? But you still gotta watch them too, because they like brothers, but they be trying to be all secretive on the side, low key, you know what I'm saying? So we got Foot Locker. Of course, if you get, you know what I'm saying, I only know the Foot Action is open right now, so Foot Action is out the door. So you got Foot Locker, Champs, because they don't come in kid sizes, only men's. In case y'all wondering, like, is it kids, women's? It's only men's sizes. So like I said, you got Finish Line, JD, Foot Locker, and Champs. So of course, you know, Foot Locker and Champs, you know the usual. You go to the app, of course, you know what I'm saying. Go to releases, scroll, you gonna see the shoe. Enter your size, of course. Select 3 stores. Select the 3 stores, not 3 sizes. Select the 3 stores, you know what I'm saying? Boom. And then you're gonna hit your head starts. Like I said before, I'm gonna say this every time. You gotta have them head starts. You gotta have them points. So better your chances of winning the shoe. So what I'm saying? So cause if you don't have them head starts or whatever, it's like your chances are gonna be real slim. So my best advice to you is this week, go to Foot Locker, Foot Action, whatever, you know what I'm saying, Champs. Get you a little t-shirt like this or something. They be having stuff like this. That's why I got my shirt. I got this from Foot Locker or Foot Action. But go ahead over there, you know what I'm saying, grab a shirt or something. It won't hurt to grab a shirt, you know what I'm saying, or some shoe cleaners, some socks. You know what I'm saying, build your points up slowly but surely, in case you're not into shoes, but you really want this shoe, which I can understand, because a lot of people are not into shoes, or some people are like, oh, I just want this one retro, I'm just, you know what I'm saying, woo-de-woo. So this will be good for you, you know what I'm saying, just to learn the ropes a little bit now, so when comes to December, November, you're like, okay, I'm getting my rhythm a little bit. So also, now I'm not getting down sidetrack or nothing like that, but I'm trying to make like a course for people, like to teach them like how to, you know what I'm saying, cop releases and all that good stuff. So be on the lookout for that. Trying to get a couple ideas in my head, you know what I'm saying. So be on the lookout for that. Got a couple ideas, you know what I'm saying. Trying to teach y'all how to cop releases, you know what I'm saying, or early like access, like all that good stuff, man. So I'm trying to figure out multiple ways to help you guys out, you know what I'm saying? So in case y'all like learn to get into shoes, or you like, man, I don't know, because a lot of people don't have time to watch YouTube. I ain't mad at that. I'm not mad at that at all, but I appreciate y'all always tuning in. Whoever watching the video, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate you tuning in, staying this long in the video, not super long, but still. So I'm trying to figure out multiple ways to reach people, you know what I'm saying, so they could get releases or info or like something quick and easy for them, because I know a lot of people don't move, you know what I'm saying, I like good stuff. So, but back to the shoe. Like I said though, like I said, Champs, Foot Locker, Finish Line, JD, the mains, you know what I'm saying. Also forgot Sneakers app, of course, the Sneakers app, of course. But I like doing more right. I like getting my shoe right up front sometimes, but I don't mind the Sneakers app. I only think, what I hit on the Sneakers app, I forgot what shoe it was. It was the chocolate milk joints. I hit on those. So they supposed to come up with those, so I'm making a video about that. The strawberry milk, I'm waiting on them. Hopefully they hit the Sneakers app. Said the 15th, but it's the 12th, so I'm still kind of snooping around, see what's going on with that. There's about any releases. Go ahead and follow your boy down below, Gerald Ones, on my Instagram page, my Twitter page, my TikTok, all my social media platforms is down below. Go ahead and follow your boy down below. I would definitely appreciate it, man. Also the size run these joints. 14s, I don't have a pair of them. In my personal opinion, I couldn't really do 11. I think I need 11 and a half. Just off the fact, like, the shoe look a little narrow, I should say. But I could probably do 11, but it's gonna be super snug. So in my personal opinion, I feel like you should go a half size up. But like I said, comment down below, man, let me know, because I don't have any 14s at all. I'm not a big fan of 14s, but they got some dope 14s. Don't get me wrong, they got some dope 14s. That's a sleeper retro, in my personal opinion too. But comment down below, man, let me know how they fit, because I'm not used to wearing 14s. Let your boy know down below, man. Definitely. But that's it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new, man. I definitely appreciate the love, support, every single one of y'all, man. To my new subscribers, welcome to the family. I appreciate you tuning into the channel. Also subscribing, of course. So if you're new to the video, man, hit a thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below, man. Let me know. Y'all gonna get the shoe, you gonna pass. Let your boy know down below, man. Definitely appreciate it for sure. Greatest comes with patience. They put your mind to, you definitely can do it, man. I believe you gotta believe in yourself that you can do it. Y'all have a blessed one. Catch y'all on the video, man. Gentleman is out. Peace.